guys! Dito kami yung kila mama. Dito kami magla-lunch kasi nagluto siya ng atay. Wait lang guys. Hi guys! Andito pa rin kami yung kila mama. Pinapakain ko pa si Hugo. Baka alis kami ng mga quarter to 1. Ayan, nabudol sila. Yung face ko, kaya hindi ako nakapagpakita last time. Last week. Kasi medyo, hindi naman medyo, nabaga talaga siya dahil sa Jotox. So, share ko na lang sa inyo next week. Abangan yung mga videos ko about sa mga pagpapa-enhance. Ayan, magsisimula ako siguro by next week. Share ko sa inyo yung mga experiences ko, yung mga pinagawa ko sa face ko. Ngayon, medyo konting magana lang. Baka I think huhupa. Hindi pa to yung final. Baka humupa to by isang linggo pa until next week, next Friday. Check natin. Ayan. But, ayun, after Jotox, iba-iba talaga tayo ng mga reaksyon ng mga inilagay natin sa face. But safe naman yung mag-alala. But sa akin is very rare nangyayari talaga kapag nagpapa-Jotox ka. Kay daddy kasi wala talaga nangyari sa face niya. As in, walang maga or sa akin palang talaga. Basta, update ko kayo next week sa mga share ko. So, ayun. Ngayon, pupunta kami ngayon sa may C5 South Link sa Shell. Doon kami tatambay today para makita niyo yung mga airplanes na malalapit. Again. Up, God. Okay, siya nagtitrain pala kay Scott. Go. High five. Say high five. High five. Kapanood siya ng training videos, Daddy. Say high five so he will know.
And then you should give him a treat.
Yeah. High five.
Like if he does a good job.
Very good, Hugo. You know how to train the dog.
You train the
Bye
dog.
guys.
Okay.
I want for Hugo.
Wala yung charger ko hindi na kong dala. Hugo, no. Narahan na yung mga merienda dito, guys, oh. It's fake. Fake agad sa akin, eh, no? So, ayan, guys. Nandito na kami. Order kami ng coffee, yung salted. Ano yan, Daddy?
Ice, salted something.
Salted. No, Hugo. Tingnan niyo, gusto niya. It's not practical and you know it's not that good. Ano yung order kong miss na ano yung coffee tawag doon? Ice salted nila yung in-order. Ikaw, Daddy, ano in-order mo?
Same.
Ayan, in-order pala ni Daddy. Same kami ng order. So, first time matatry yung coffee nila dito. And, ayun. What? Why? Si picture to eh. Wait, you hold it. 1, 2, smile.
It's a big lollipop, no?
How can you finish that? Magkano yung coffee? 90 and 100. Saan yung... okay. Ito yung medium to large nila. sa may Pawanui, ba nagsisiksikan mo yung mga kotse doon? Yung parang ginawa nilang two-way, ba may mga kotse lumalabas doon sa may banda doon? Yan yun!
I can't imagine.
Yung ma-imagine. So, wala ba sana mamaya para ma-imagine? BG sila.
Hindi sila natin.
Joke.
Pwede.
Ay, nako. Sarap ng coffee nila, ah. In fairness, ah.
Let's wait again. Let's wait again.
Do this to me.
That's fine. Salamin ba dad? Ayan, dito guys, may aircon section naman sila. Ayan, dito yung smoking area sa labas. Pero pag gusto mo nakaupo ka lang dito, chillax, pwede rin naman. Pero sa coffee nila, masarap naman siya compare sa mga ibang affordable na coffee na try. Try na sa
There you go.
Seven wheels.
Ha?
No, the bigger one that remember? The one that is taller, the one that is taller.
It's bigger than that?
Yeah.
Oh, let's see how big it is when it turns around. You will see, okay?
He taller than that. Did you the big one that?
The big one. Oh, let's see, let's see.
Also.
Tignan mo yung power nun yun.
Dad, you remember there was Dad, you remember there's an that when you want to point it and ride that army race or the big one?
That's the big one.
The big one? It's too dark, I cannot see. That's not the big one, that's just medium one. But do you remember the big one, the one that is like this, not the one like that? And that.
I didn't try the super big one. That's also big, you know? It's also big inside.
Now, do you know the big one has 10 wheels on it?
Really?
Yeah. Do you know that?
I didn't know that.